Hey there, adventure seekers and RV enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a story that will blow your mind and make you rethink the limits of travel. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the world's smallest RV and the incredible journey it inspired. Hook, imagine a tiny RV, so small it's perched on a modified tricycle. Now, picture two brave souls attempting to pedal this mini home across California. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Jeff and Chris Dangie did, and their story is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of adventure. Context setup: the Dangie brothers, inspired by a Japanese artist's bike campers, decided to build their own pedal-powered RV. Their creation, a mere 9 feet tall and weighing 500 pounds, was a marvel of ingenuity. It had all the essentials: a sink, stove, electricity, and a cozy bed. But could it really be driven like a regular RV? Main breakdown. The challenge: Jeff and Chris set out on a 100-mile journey, promising their wives a quick trip. Little did they know, their tiny RV would present unique challenges. Crashes, tight spots, and the simple fact of physics meant their journey was tougher than expected. Hills and headwinds: one of the biggest obstacles was navigating hills and inclines. With the weight of the RV and the rider, even slight inclines became a massive effort. The brothers had to get creative, sometimes walking alongside the RV to push it up. Progress and perseverance: despite the challenges, they kept going. Their first day's progress was slow, covering just 6 miles in 7 hours. But they adapted, adding a second bike to help pull the RV, and even upgrading to an e-bike for their second attempt. Deeper insight. This story is a perfect example of how human determination can overcome seemingly impossible odds. The brothers' journey highlights the importance of adaptability and a good sense of humor. Their willingness to try, fail, and try again is a testament to the human spirit. Closing thought. The smallest RV might not be the most practical mode of travel, but it sure is an inspiring adventure. It reminds us that sometimes, the journey is more important than the destination. So, the next time you see a challenge, remember the Dangie brothers and their pedal-powered RV. Keep pedaling, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.